videos. The best wet videos.
My Canadian friends tell me they do this all the time.
Any luck, ladies?
Not a bite.
Where's Mike?
Mike's gone down to the point. See if there's any fish over there.
Looks pretty cold. Very dark hole. Oh, there's Mike. He's back. Mike. Any fish down at the point?
Nothing over there.
How far did you go?
Way down to the point.
Did you see Neil?
No, I think he went and checked out a spot at the other island.
Oh, there's Neil.
Oh, Neil. Oh, there you are. Anything out by the island?
No fish by the islands. Well, actually, I saw one big one, but
Whereabouts?
not very many. Just down there.
Okay, well maybe we'll switch over there. See if we can catch some fish over there.
I think so. Can't get nothing here.
Hey Canadians, do you guys often get your tongue stuck on metal poles? Or is that just an American thing?
Not a myth. I'm telling you right
Mr. Garcia,
now.
I dare you.
There's no way. It's a myth.
I double dare you.
No.
I triple dog dare you.
Oh, he skipped the double dog dare. Now I have to do it.
Richard, don't get your lips stuck! Oh my God!
That's blood. That's blood.
He did not!
Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Oh yeah, that looks great.
I don't know how to be online.